Today we're going to be making some Valentines with this well-loved stamp set that we clearly have used so many times for so many different things. This is our Ivy Pink stamp set that we made in collaboration with her, and I think that this just goes to show that there are so many different uses for this stamp set. So let's get started with making these Valentines. So we will start by stamping each of the 3 hedgehogs onto white cardstock. And then I'm just going to go in with the colors that I've already selected and just draw a little sample color on the paper so that I can really see what it's going to look like once I start coloring in the hedgehogs. And I think this is always a really good idea to test out your colors before you start actually coloring in the stamps so you can see what you're going to be working with. And now we will use these markers to color in the hedgehogs. And now, because these are going to be Valentines, I'm just going to add a really fun detail of heart-shaped glasses on this first hedgehog that we have. So I'm doing that with a red marker, and then I'm going to outline that with a black fine line marker. And now I'm just taking this white gel pen and I'm going to add some highlights to the glasses and the belly. And then I'm also going to go in and draw highlights on the little quills that we have on the hedgehog, just to add a little bit more dimension to the quills. And then we have these fun little elements like hearts and flowers that came with the stamp set that I'm going to color in and use on these Valentines. And then I just took the different cardstock colors that I have and cut them down to size into rectangles. And then I'm just adding some heart details above this first hedgehog with 2 different shades of marker. And then I'm stamping the phrases that we're going to be using from the stamp set onto the lower half of the card, and then we'll glue those onto the upper half of the card. And then we're just going to glue down the hedgehogs using the tape glue runner and also some 3D adhesive dots, and then also add a little white detailing around this first hedgehog.